Hi there, thanks for joining me for this very short explainer. I just wanted to make you aware of the three main options that we now have available to you to use your content here at Safety.com. Let's have a look. The first option is to use our courses via our online learning management system, or LMS for short. As an introduction for individuals, we have a few free awareness courses, which many of you are aware of, including manual handling and fire awareness, which you can see here. We're giving away 1 million free courses, so hopefully you can help us achieve that goal by taking advantage of these awesome resources. You have to register, and we'll link the tutorial video on how exactly to do that on the screen now for you, so that you can come back to it if you need it. Also of note here is that we have some great options for businesses. This starts with our completely free introductory level on our Learning Leader product, which effectively gives you unlimited access to all of our courses for free if you're a business with less than 10 employees. You get your own dashboard for your business, can manage and monitor your users, and you get all the benefits of our paid LMS system, which I'll drop a video tutorial for that on the screen now, in case you would like to see how that looks and functions. If you do have 10 or more employees, our LMS is, if I do say so myself, ridiculously good value, and there are no hidden costs or gimmicks to restrict you. It works out at around £1 sterling per employee per month for unlimited access, so it's really a very cost-effective way to train your staff. Not to forget, we're always adding more courses which will become available to you within your LMS system, so the value proposition just keeps getting better. Awesome, so that's our online LMS option covered very briefly. Now let's move on to our second option. The second option we have available for you is to use our content via a streaming service, which we have set up in conjunction with Vimeo On Demand. This works a bit like your streaming service on your TV. Once you pay for a course, for example, you get a unique link where you can access the training at any time. This is really useful if you want to deliver internal training, for example, and you don't want to hold large video files on your computer. If you only need to use a course for a very short duration, there's also a rental option, which is a time-limited offer that gives you access at a bit of a lower price point. Another benefit to the on-demand service is that you can access subtitles in many different languages via this channel. You just have to click on one of the videos on our on-demand pages as you see here, and that will take you to the channel where you can watch the course preview and also check in the bottom right hand corner for the subtitle options. It's important to make sure you're signed into a Vimeo account, as the service will pick up your preferred language and offer that to you as a subtitle option. Just to be clear, with the on-demand service, if you're selecting the buy option, which says stream anytime, then that means the video is yours to keep via that link, and you can use it as much as you like, and there's no further cost. So it's not a subscription, it's just a one-off payment. Cool, hopefully that's clear enough for our on-demand service. Let's now look at the final option we have. The third and final option that we provide here at Safety.com is for you to download the video files from our courses directly. In other words, you purchase the video content to download onto your local computer and keep it to use at your leisure. This is a popular option for many, as it doesn't require you to have a Wi-Fi or internet connection to play the videos. You just need to make sure you have enough storage space locally on your laptop or external hard drive to store the files. Another area which you may find useful that we've just added and we'll be continuing to add to is the tutorial section here on the top bar. In here we have a mixture of different video content from our YouTube channel, which we have uploaded as blog posts on our website. So there's all types of educational materials via video here that you'll find. As you can see, a sample of the menu there, which is going to expand over time. So you'll find some useful stuff in there. And if you're interested, just subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that'll make it a bit easier for you to find that content. Just before we finish off quickly here, I'll also mention that we do have, of course, a shop with lots of health and safety related digital products, including lots of templates and other helpful document resources, which you can search for by category here, as you can see, and for many of which we have integrated our training into the products as part of the package. So if you do grab one with the course included, you'll understand now hopefully how this is integrated into our learning system, and any courses you do purchase, including the free ones, will be added to your My Learning profile over here, as you can see on screen, so that you can crack on and get using it. Okay, excellent. That just about covers it for now. Hopefully this was helpful to you. But of course, we're here at Safety.com to help you, and we would encourage you to get in touch over our live web chat system with any questions that you do have, which you can access on our website, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll leave some links below this video as well, of course, and hopefully we'll speak soon. Thanks for watching.